In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning passive income promoting Digistore 24 products. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So basically, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process. Even as a complete beginner, you can use this strategy to start generating passive income every single day on Digistore 24. So the first thing you want to do is quite obvious. You want to go over to digistore24.com to create a free account. So once you come over to the website, all you just need to do is to click on the register now button. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can basically type in your username, your email address, your password, and you want to make sure to select this. I mainly promote products of other providers, and you want to check this box right here and you want to click on continue. And once you do this, your dashboard is going to look like this. And if for some reason you are not seeing this on your dashboard, all you just need to do is to click on marketplace right here. And once you click on marketplace, you are going to have access to varieties of digital products that you can start promoting right away and start getting commissions. So basically, one of the most popular categories or niches that you can make a lot of money from as a beginner is the dating and relationship niche. You can also use the business and investment as well. And the health and fitness is also one of the best categories or one of the best niches that you can use to start generating your first sales on Digistore 24. Okay. So now for this video, I'm going to be taking the health and fitness niche as an example. So you want to click on health and fitness. So once you do that, as you can see, over 100 products on this category alone. And now if you scroll down, you are going to see various products that you can start promoting. And also you are going to see how much you are going to earn per sale you bring to each of the products. So now you want to scroll down and you want to look for a product that is already making other affiliates money on Digistore 24. And an example of such product is this one right here. As you can see, the popularity is 4 out of 5, which means a lot of affiliates are currently making money promoting this product. So now the next thing you want to do is quite simple. You want to copy your affiliate link. As you can see, you are going to see it in front right here. All you just need to do is to click on the link and you'll be able to copy the link. And once you copy your affiliate link, I'm going to show you one of the best traffic source that you can use that most people are not even using at all. So you want to come over to this website called steamit.com. So basically, this is a website that allows people to post various articles and start making money. And as you can see right here, there are people already making money posting article on this website. As you can see, this article posted 6 hours ago, over $140. And you can see another one right here, over $600. And if I keep scrolling down, you are going to see a lot of people making money just posting article on this website. And I'm going to show you how to make money as well. So now what you want to do is to basically click on this sign up button to create an account on steamit.com. Once you create an account on Steamit, all you just need to do is to click on this pen icon right here and you will be able to create posts like this other people are doing on this website. As you can see, these are people generating money with just their post on steamit.com. So basically, if I scroll down here and I click on this post as an example, as you can see, this was a post made 4 days ago. And this person is already making almost $50 on this post alone. So if I click on this post and if I scroll down a bit, as you can see, this is just a simple post about healthy diet. Okay. So basically, as you can see right here, this person could have added an affiliate link to a Digistore 24 product and even make more money promoting their product on this website. Okay. So basically, this is how easy you can start generating free traffic to your affiliate product. You can even use the likes of ClickBank or any other affiliate network of your choice. So basically, this is how easy you can start generating passive income promoting Digistore 24 products on steamit.com. And also you are going to earn money on this website as well. So basically, like I showed you, this person has already earned almost $50 from this post alone. So basically, you can use this to make money on the side as well. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.